Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Amos Oppong, and I'm here to explain briefly about DapsCnect. We are a mobile application and a web application. The mobile application is available on Play Store and then the App Store. We leverage big data and artificial intelligence tailored up to the applicant to help you minimize all the challenges in the traveling abroad as we speak. Yes. We are a verified platform that can provide you step-by-step guidance for your visa application. We can also help you track your process in real time. If someone is helping you, then we use the big data and reliable data to provide solutions. Yes, DapsCnect is also a verification platform. Anything in line with your travel abroad. If you want to verify anything, your admission letter, your bank statement, your visa itself, you want to verify anything about traveling, DapsCnect, you can use the big data and our AI technology to help you verify. I am recording this video in my capacity as a co-founder of DapsCnect, the president of DapsCnect, and then the lead researcher. My name is Dr. Amos Oppong. I'll be recording several other videos to explain what DapsCnect is really about. Thank you.